Hi, welcome you all to Pebbles. In today's class, we are going to see fractions. So now we are going to see Max Class 6 CBSE fraction. We are going to see types of fraction. Let's start the class. Type of fractions. The first one is proper fraction, second one is improper fraction, third one is mixed fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Example, so 3 by 5, 4 by 7. And improper fraction, 8 by 4, 6 by 2. Mixed fraction, 1 and also 1 by 5, 3, 4 by 6. Okay, 3 and 4 by 6. 1 and 1 by 5. See, these are the fraction types, and also I have given the examples. You must know what is a proper fraction. Proper fraction is nothing but numerator is lesser than the denominator. Numerator is lesser than the denominator. Generally, fraction means we have two number. We use two number. There are two numbers. One is a top number, another one is a bottom number. So top number we can call it as numerator, and bottom number we can call it as denominator. So I'll repeat once again. We are using two numbers. We are using two number for fraction. For example, 3 by 5. So this is the top number and this is the bottom number. So top number we can call it as what? Numerator, Numerator, numerator. Okay, numerator. Next is a denominator, Denominator, denominator. So numerator and denominator. So first one is a top number, second one is a bottom number. So numerator divided by denominator. So this is called as a fraction. So fraction is made up of two number. Top one is a numerator. Top number is called as numerator, and bottom number we can call it as denominator. That you know it. So proper fraction means that now we are going to discuss about proper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay. Proper fraction. So that means numerator is less than the denominator. This is called as proper fraction. That is, look at this number. Numerator is 3, denominator is 5. So 3 is less than 5. So it is a proper fraction. And next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. That is nothing but, that is, numerator is greater than the denominator. So numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, I have given 8 by 4. 8 is a numerator and 4 is a denominator. So n denotes numerator and d denotes denominator. So 8 is greater than 4. 8 is greater than 4. Here 8 is greater than 4. In proper fraction, 3 is less than 5. Okay, 3 is less than 5. So this is improper fraction means, you know, that numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator example, that is, numerator example is 8, denominator example is 4. So 8 by 4 is a fraction. So n divided by d, that is numerator divided by d, that means numerator divided by denominator. So 8 divided by 4, n, that is numerator is 8 and denominator is 4. So numerator is greater than denominator, that means improper fraction. So that 8 is greater than 4. It is an improper fraction. I think so you understand the proper fraction and improper fraction. So proper fraction means, I'll repeat once again. Example is 3 by 5. Not only 3 by 5, 4 by 7 also is an example. So 4 is a numerator and 7 is a denominator. 4 is a numerator and 7 is a denominator. So n by d. So n is less than d. So the value n is equal to 4, and denominator, that is n is denominator d is equal to what? 7. So 4 is less than 7. 4 is less than 7. 4 is less than 7. So it is a proper fraction. I think so you understand the proper fraction very clearly, because proper fraction means numerator is lesser than the denominator. We know that numerator divided by denominator. Example is 3 by 5. 3 is a top number and 5 is a bottom number. And here 4 is a numerator, 4 is a top number and 7 is a bottom number, 4 is a numerator and 7 is a denominator. So that is numerator is less than denominator, that is the rule of proper fraction. So 4 is less than 7. So we can clearly say it is a proper fraction. An improper fraction, one more example is 6 by 2, you know that. So this is a top number and this is a bottom number. So anyhow this is 6 is a numerator and 2 is a denominator. So the rule of improper fraction is numerator is greater than the denominator. N is greater than D. What is the value of N? N is 6 and 6 is greater than 2. So 6 is greater than 2. So it is a improper fraction. The last one we are going to see mixed fraction. Last one we are going to see mixed fraction. Example is 1 and also 1 and 1 by 5 comma 3 and 4 by 6. So that is mixed fraction means nothing but mixed fraction means 1 by 5, that is 1 is a whole number and 1 by 5 is a proper fraction. So mixed fraction means it is a combination, it is composed of a whole number and a proper fraction. Whole number and a proper fraction. Whole number combined with or composed with proper fraction. What is this? Proper fraction. So that is what? 1 by 5. 1 and 1 by 5 comma 3 and 4 by 6. So it's a mixed fraction answer. This is not answer, this is the examples. 1 by 5. 1 is a whole number and 1 by 5 is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means you know that very well. What is it? It is numerator is less than the denominator. So 1 is less than 5. So these are combined together. It is called as a mixed fraction. The next one is example 2. This is example 1. Example 1. And this is example 2, nothing but 3 and 4 by 6. So what is this? It's a mixed fraction. 3 is a whole number. 3 is a whole number and 4 by 6 is a proper fraction. So whole number and proper fraction combined with whole number and proper fraction composed or combined with the mixed fraction. So it is a composed of or it is a combined with whole number and a proper fraction. It is called as a mixed fraction. So I think so you understand the basic concepts of type of fraction, that is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Once again I will tell you proper fraction, improper fraction and what? Mixed fraction. And one more fraction is also there, that is nothing but equivalent fraction. We are going to see later. I think so you understand the concept of type of fractions.